Hey guys, got a lovely little project for you to watch on here. This is an oak shaker stool that I've made with a nice resin top. Something a little bit different. We have got a video that I've done, which I'll drop by here, with the oak shaker dressing. You might be interested in watching that as well, and then you can watch this oak shaker stool video. So yeah, here it is. It's looking nice. What I've done with this is I've put a built-in drawer. Alright, we've got a nice soft closed drawer on here, which shuts and all the stuff and belongings can stay in here. I've cut a little tiny recess in here just to pop your finger in. So when you want to use the drawer, you can. And then you can shut the drawer and no one can get inside here unless they know it's an actual storage unit. It's a nice little project. Stay tuned. I'll show you the rest of the video of how I went about building this. And here goes. So that's a wrap for this job. We got the lovely oak shaker stool to go with my oak shaker cabinet. Now this is a cabinet we done previously on a previous video. This is the first time I've ever made something like this. It's the first time I've ever made a stool like this. It looks absolutely gorgeous. You can see it all matches. We've got the oak cabinet under here. You can see all the shaker panels I made. So you can check that video out on my YouTube as well. Here's the drawer. I'm just showing you the drawer now. And what we've done with these legs on this drawer, I've obviously raised them off the floor 5mm. This stays the same height as this. I did have this cut 5mm smaller, which I didn't like the look of. I'll just zoom it back so you can see now. So it all sits nice on the floor. But it's a beautiful looking thing. They are slightly different in colour, but we don't mind that. Me and the missus are happy with it. I might change the tops in the future. We'll see how it goes. But what do you think anyway? Give us a like and subscribe. It'd be absolutely awesome if you could help my channel grow. There is a new hype button. You can hit the hype button if you wish. Here's the table as well. This is the dresser that we made, the little dresser. So if you want to check that video out, I'll drop it here for you to watch as well. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.